Baby, I still see ya. The t-shirt, the same one you wore when we were high up. Sky High, Colorado. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are going to do a get ready with me. Half of it is going to be on my channel. Half is going to be on Alicia's channel, where we also drunkenly message different influencers and celebrities via Instagram. It was very embarrassing. We're Louis is child. They sent a video back.
I need to see.
Wait.
Oh my god. It's Robbie!
I'm sitting on the toilet and you're making my poop so much better. Hey, thank you. And you're making my poop so much better.
I love Robbie.
Wait, what do we reply?
Hi Robbie, just want to let you know, if you're at Coachella 2022, let us know. We would love to come up on stage. We will jump, we will dance, we will be the perfect hype women. Just let us know.
Let us know.
Love you. See? On my channel right now, I'm gonna do my eyes, Alicia's gonna do her face, and then on her channel, we're gonna switch.
TK, you made these so strong.
Cheers! This has literally been the look that I'm gonna do right now, my go-to eye look. If I've ever worn makeup in the past year, it's literally this. I'm gonna use this as my eyelid primer.
I always go in a little V moment there, and then I do some here, and then on my chin. That's usually where I get more breakouts, and then I go doo doo.
Put this on my eyelid to set my concealer that I'm using as my eye primer.
I'm not kidding when I say I think I'm gonna do the best beat to my face I've ever done in my life.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, me
I'm
too.
feeling it. I'm
Me too,
I'm
me
gonna
too.
try really hard.
Are you gonna do a glam look, or are you gonna do a soft glam?
I'm gonna do a smoky eye. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
She does a good smoky eye, but she takes a long time.
I forgot that I took an hour to do my makeup and you take 15 minutes to do your makeup. Take your time, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna take the PBX Tarte palette, and these are the shade names that we have. Daisy, Perf, Content Baby Content, Boy Drama, Ring Ring, Chloe, and then for the highlighter is Pretty, which the highlighter is actually so good. And then the contour is in Basic. We're gonna get a little wild here. I like to foil the eyeshadow, which I learned literally from Juicy Star back in the day, but it makes your eyeshadow, it makes it pop and also makes it stay on all day long. So I've been doing this lately with the shadow. I take some setting spray of some sort, or you can use water, and I like to spray it into a little caps like this. I take a brush, wet the brush, and then I go into the shade Boy Drama, which is right here.
I feel like the podcast listeners are gonna love this so much because there's inside jokes with it. If you listen, you know.
Look at this. When I foil it,
Oh my god,
it
I
looks
haven't
really
done that.
good. I do this pretty much every day as my lid color, and I don't even need to use cream shadows or things sometimes because I feel like it just stays on so well.
We're using the Amazonian Clay Foundation.
Wow, it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm just gonna blend my neck. Oh, also we have our lovely friends / producers / girl bosses here behind the camera, Taylor King, Whitney. They're gonna be asking us questions, so we can answer for you. Woo! Round of applause, yeah!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Who's your favorite beauty guru?
I was gonna say Kristen Dominique. I really,
I love
like
her.
She's so sweet. Personally, I feel like she's just so sweet. She listens to Pretty Basic. At least she said she did.
Maybe not anymore. It's been a while.
Oh, Patrick Starr. I love Patrick.
Oh yeah, Stan.
Stan him.
You know who I like?
Who?
That new girl on TikTok with the foundation.
Michaela!
there it is.
I like Michaela.
I don't know these.
I love that Michaela girl. I haven't watched the Foundation Girl too much.
Oh my god, I love the foundation girl. What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
Corvette. Hopping.
Honestly, there's this girl and she did a dance video. Her name's Mr. Me Ashton. And
Oh, the one with that really hot girl and they danced to 7 Rings.
yes,
That really
that
hot tall girl in
I
the
was
back.
like, damn, she's so pretty. I want to be her.
That's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Content Baby Content in my crease. My skin looks
chillin'?
so bad, and I'm so red with Asian glow.
My skin looks great. I'm not gonna lie. But it's because of the foundation.
Oh yeah.
That's weird, I look great. I can't relate. So who has the bigger ego?
Whose videos are better? Mine.
Who do you think will get married first?
Remy.
I think me too. Take a deep breath. You're gonna be okay.
And
In through the nose, out through the mouth.
I'm gonna let my bake set.
She's gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes.
Cooking with Remy is shook. So right now I'm taking Basic, the contour bronzer in here.
I put Chloe on the outer corner to really deepen it up, and it looks really good. I think I'm actually gonna go through and even foil Content Baby Content on my lid now to make it a little bit deeper.
Who would you freak out if they like posted it? Like posted your palette like for PR on
Oh
their
my
story or something?
god.
Chrissy Teigen.
Millie Bobby Brown.
Oh, that's
I
a
would be
good
like,
one. That'd be crazy. You should have her on Pretty Basic.
Guys, who should we have on Pretty Basic?
Comment down below.
Everyone has been asking me about how I do my nose contour. We're gonna go in with a thinner brush. Boom. I really try to just make like a straight as possible line.
Now I'm gonna go in with Daisy and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone.
Then, even though it looks bad, don't worry. You're gonna go back in with like a face powder, and then you're just gonna boop down the bridge of the nose, and that's how you kind of blend it out. I've learned.
Eyeliner.
Are you
Na, na,
a
na, na.
liquid liner fan?
Liquid liner only.
I hardly ever use liquid liner, but I'm feeling nice.
Do you want to watch me do my liquid liner?
Can I?
This is the one thing I'm good at in life. Start on the end and you draw up.
No pressure.
I know I'm like shaking and kind of nervous and can't breathe. So I draw my line up, then I take it.
Oh,
Go down like
shut
that.
up.
And then you just fill it in, and now it's done. Oh my god, I'm so fucking drunk. That was hard.
But it looks good. It looks. Look at me. Look at me straight on.
Hold on, I can't. I have to let my eyes dry.
Okay.
What? I'm trying not to close my
She
eyes.
said no.
Are you one of those fans?
Oh, wow.
Does it look good?
Oh no, look down. It got on your lid. It got on your lid.
I told you I looked too soon.
Okay, good.
Oh my gosh.
Crisis averted.
So if you guys want to know how I do my brows, follow my TikTok because I did a tutorial.
She's just trying to get TikTok followers.
My face looks pretty good. Like,
Why do you think both of you blew up on YouTube?
wait, should we answer for each other?
Yeah.
I think Remy blew up because she's such a good influencer naturally. I'm still gonna do my Mr. Me Ashton Made Me Buy It haul because you've made me buy so much stuff just from recommending products or things or gadgets or whatever, and that's like the life of a lifestyle influencer. On top of it, you're nice.
Oh wow. Thank you so much.
I think you're good at what you do, and on top of it, you're like an actually nice person. Like, I've made more friends because of you than like anyone in the world, because so many people love you because they're like, oh my god, Remy, like she's so nice.
Oh, that's so nice. I think you blew up because your actual content is like the best out of any lifestyle influencer ever created. Literally ever created. Like professional level.
Yeah.
I mean like quality. I mean time and effort. Like you're the only one who also still edits your own videos.
But
too.
that was an ego thing. I was like,
No.
I still edit my video.
No, I still
I'm
think.
looking for an editor.
Comment down below. Email
Comment
us.
down below your resume.
Pretty basic. It's very apparent how much work you put into your content and how much you care.
Don't forget my Schoolisha.
And Schoolisha.
We privated them.
You did?
I privated all my old videos. My oldest video on my channel right now is me crying for my break.
Shut up.
Which I think is funny.
If you go back, your first video, I need a break. Guys, I can't do this. This is too much. I need a break. That's so. Guys, the work is too much. I have to take a break. That's so funny.
I'm crying.
That's so
Oh no, it's here.
Oh.
Thank you.
What's a business venture you guys could see yourself going into together?
I'm just kidding. I can't do that.
I don't know.
You guess. I'm putting these lashes on. Center of attention lashes, and they're cruelty free. Love that for us. Love that for the animals.
Last step for me, I'm gonna go in with pretty. My favorite thing about it is it's a very good in-between for beginners and professional artists. I feel like it's very subtle, but still glowy. Like it gives off that natural highlight.
Glowing from within.
Glowing from within.
I like it for my inner corner. I think it really makes my inner corner pop, and I've been doing this
Like, look at
every single day.
Ooh! So sorry.
Alicia Marie.
Sorry, excuse me.
My eyes are done.
My face is done.
Her face is beat
I'm
to the
so-
gods.
I'm honestly shocked. Genuinely think it looks so good.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I literally spend more time blending than I ever have in my life.
But no, it looks so good.
Thank you. Alicia's video is linked down below. Please check it out. Please listen to our podcast. We love you so much. Thank you for everything you've done for us. We're so happy that we're here and we're best friends and we're having so much fun.
My favorite thing is that I know that that's so genuine. Like, that is the most like, she's such a pure soul. She means it. Not like I don't mean it, but she means it.
No, you mean it too.
No, but you really mean it.
I do mean it. Check out our links below. Bye, bitches.